This is a special material known as black gold, carbon fiber. It is a high-strength fiber with a carbon content of more than 90%, which is 7 to 10 times stronger than steel, and it's half the weight of steel. Carbon fiber is widely used in aerospace, wind power generation, and other important areas. In the context of the goal of peaking carbon neutrality, carbon fiber is bound to bring extraordinary industry storm. So how is carbon fiber made? First, use this big machine. Pull out dozens of rolls of plastic fibers. They are made up of thousands of filaments, thinner than a hair. And then pre-oxidation. Pass the fibers through an oxidation furnace. And then heat at 249 degrees Celsius for 3 minutes, encouraging the fibers to bond with oxygen molecules in the air. Oxidation is performed to change the atomic structure of the fibers, making it resistant to high temperatures. As the fibers oxidize, they will eventually turn black. Then you have to carbonize it. In a carbonization furnace, continue to heat pre-oxidation on high for a few minutes. The mixture will expel non-carbon atoms, and the remaining carbon atoms will rearrange to give the fiber a higher strength. Then the fibers that come out pass through the charged pool, make the surface of the fiber, for better absorption of the resin behind. The carbon fiber is then coated with resin, which will strengthen the chemistry of the fibers and forming resins. And then wrap the carbon fiber around the roller. It can also be woven into carbon fiber fabric, or mixed with resin to make other products. Workers mix epoxy hardener and accelerator, stir well, pour it into a press mill. The machine then forms a wet layer on the paper, treated with a release agent. The release agent prevents the final product from sticking. Next, 200 or 300 carbon fibers are machined together, woven into a vast web of fiber. The width and thickness of the web determines the final size of finished product. Then the worker coated the paper with 2 rolls of resin. Install it to resin dipping machine. When the fiber mesh enters the bottom of the machine heating device, heat it up, making it convenient adsorbed by resin. After carbon fiber mesh heated, it was sandwiched between resin-coated paper. High-pressure hot roll extrusion of resin infiltrated into millions of carbon fiber wires, waiting for the carbon fiber net to cool. The liquid resin turns into a gel. Due to the coated paper has been treated with a defilm agent in front, you can easily remove the coated paper. The carbon fiber is then covered with mylar and roll them together with a roller. A small sample is taken and sent to the laboratory for testing. It's weighed and then washed off with chemicals. Then weigh it again. This will test if the ratio of carbon fiber to resin is correct. Then the tensile strength test was carried out. Measure the strain of the sample before rupture. Make sure the carbon fiber has the best strength as well as durability and heat resistance. Finally, the carbon fiber that passed the test can be packaged and sent around the world. If you enjoyed, please give it a thumbs up. What else would you like to see next? Let me know in the comments section.